Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cute charms using pieces of chipboard. So you know when you get like a 12x12 chipboard sticker sheet and you have like, all of the random leftovers, I'm going to show you how you can use these to make these really cute charms. You can hang these off of embellishments, you can hang these off basically anywhere you'd hang a charm, and I think they look really quite cute, so I'm going to show you how to make those. Okay, so what you're going to need is your hole puncher. I have the crocodile because it's like the best. I mean, out of every hole puncher I've had, this one's really good, and this one is also doubles as an eyelet setter. You're going to need some pieces of chipboard. So I have this one here and these ones. If you want to set it with an eyelet, which I will be, you're going to need some eyelets. I'm going to use some gold ones, I think, and then probably a pink one. 2 pinks, 2 golds, and you're going to need some jump rings. So 4 jump rings. Now, if you want to do the thread wrap around it, you're going to need some thread. You can use whatever color you want, but I like using gold and I'm going to do that. So I'm going to start off with this happy here. So what I do is I take my hot glue gun and I put just a little dab on there, and then I grab my thread and I will hold it over the dab of glue. Then I just wrap it around as much as I want, and that's really all I want. I just want a few little bits, and then I put a little bit of hot glue on the pieces just to hold it still. Then I cut it off. So there's that one there. I feel like they look really cute when you do that, so I'm going to do that to all of these. Using a needle nose hot glue gun, I just like them. They do make a lot more of the spider webs I've found, but it doesn't really matter. And also they set really fast and you will run out of hot glue really quickly. So there we go. This is meant to be a high temperature one, but I don't know. I don't really feel it as high temperature. Okay, so there we go. I'm happy with that. Then I will just set all the little bits with my glue gun. I just put kind of little dots everywhere. I'm going to leave these 2 undone just to give you an example of what it looks like when they're not done. So then what you're going to do is take your hole punch, and I'm just going to pop the hole punch right there. Now, because it's chipboard, I find it gets stuck in my hole punch, so I just use this little tool here to get it out. I need to make it a little bit bigger for my eyelet to actually fit in there. So there we go, and I'm going to use a gold one on there. I just push my eyelet in, and then I'm going to set it. So I've set it, and then I take my tweezers here. Sorry, my pliers, and then I just close my jump ring. so there you go. There's a cute little charm. So this one here, because I'm not doing the wire wrap, I'm just going to set it to the eyelet straight away, which, there we go. I think I'm going to do pink for this one. The eyelets that I'm using are from AliExpress. They're nothing fancy. And then the jump rings are also from AliExpress. And the chipboard is from a swap. And go, so just pop it in. These are really quick and easy to put together, and like they look so cute on things. So this one here is going to be a little bit difficult, so I'm going to do it down the end near the happy. Now I don't have any smaller eyelets, so no matter what I'm using, I'm going to be covering a bit of it. So there we go, and I'm going to use gold on this one. So yeah, if you had like a little, like some smaller eyelets, this would obviously be easier for you, but I only have my big ones. I've ordered some small ones, they just haven't arrived yet. I'm just gonna set it like so. Like, you cover up the wire, but it still looks cute. And then this one here, I'm going to do it up here in this top part. Will I just do it in the middle? I'm not actually sure. I could do it here. Kind of hang it sideways. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to pop that like so. And I'm going to use this red one. Yeah. So there we go. Put the eyelet in and then set it. Here you go. So here's my quick little embellishment tutorial. They look really cute. I love this one here and this one here is really nice. So I'm quite happy with how these turned out, and they were really easy to put together. So if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. It helps out my channel so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.